Alright, hello everyone, it's Boss Haunt here, and well, I just got back from school, right? I mean, it's all minimum days this week, but I came home, and I have a, Pokemon card box, whatever, review today. I mean, I just got this from Target. On the box, it says, description, oh yeah, you guys can read it. Comes with 3 Pokemon booster packs and a Pokemon coin, so, yeah, we're gonna see if we can get our luck here. Alright, now that this plastic's in the way, we can get inside of opening this box. Ooh. So what we got here? We got Chilling Range. Oh my god, Chilling Range, really? We got Lost Origin. And another Lost Origin. Alright, so let's see. We're bringing back EX cards, but well, let's see if we can get our luck. Alright. Here with the first card. I mean, not to stand up like this. Yeah, you guys can barely see over there. God damn, why it's so hard? Hold on, give me a minute. Alright, oh, I managed to open this. Now we're gonna go. Alright, now we're gonna do the Plano card trick. Alright, let's see if we can get our luck here. 4 cards. Alright, let's see. There's a potential of getting something good here. Oh, you guys can't see. That was energy card. Alright, you guys can see now? Okay, now I can see. Alright, now. Alright. I see some glittering. Ooh, a Cinderace. Oh, let me... Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, you guys can see the glow. Alright, Single Strike. We'll put that next to the box here. Alright, now we have Lost Origins. What should we go first? The shiny? Hold on. Alrighty, sorry about that. I had to deal with something. Alright. What should we get? Alright, we're gonna go with the shiny. Alright, shiny. Let's see what you get. Maybe you can get us. Don't want to bend them too much. Please don't. I would be damned if I can get something good. Aw, you're goddamn kidding me. It's a white code card. Alright, we know it's not good, so we're just gonna flip through this, and... Ooh, I mean, at least I get whatever this is. Alright. Yeah, nothing good. Alright. Pack, you're our last hope. Please give us something good, or this review was worthless. Oh, I think we have some hope here. Guys, I think we might have some hope. I can already smell the reward. Alright, my heart is racing rapidly. Let's see if we can get... We're shaking right now. I mean, I just got done with school. What did we get? God damn it, are you kidding me?
He belongs to the streets.
Well, I mean, this was a waste of $14. I mean, it's a horse. Bro, are you kidding me? This, I mean, they have a bunch of these at the store. I should have got to the other box. But I mean, hey, I could just come back for later. But I mean, yeah. Ooh, look at it. It's a silver Zero Aura pin. But yeah, I basically just wasted $14 on this. But I mean, again, I guess I can get another one next time. These were at my a nearby Target. But yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this Pokemon review. Don't worry, guys. But I'm gonna be making a Christmas special for the next video because I'm gonna be doing a lot of Pokemon card review. All right, so be aware for be aware on December 25th because I'm gonna be doing a Pokemon card review because there's gonna be a lot of Pokemon cards to open. All right, peace.